Smile was hidden behind her respirator, but her eyes sparkled as Lisa received her first dose of the experimental drug Toferson, which doctors believe could halt the progression of the rarest form of ALS that's tearing away her quality of life.
We're thrilled that the day finally arrived.
What a wonderful world.
From dancing with one of her sons last January to being confined to a wheelchair at his graduation, Lisa, who turned 52 last week, has lost the ability to speak, to walk, to write. Her mind is fine, but her body has shut down.
She would have lost much less functionality if this could have happened 6 months ago.
For months, Biogen, which has had the drug Toferson in clinical trials, has denied the Mauriellos access to the drug, claiming it would have compromised the test.
Biogen, help Lisa! Biogen, help Lisa!
Lisa's plight caught the attention of people worldwide. They staged demonstrations and well over 100,000 signed petitions in an effort to get Biogen to relent. This month, the biotech company ended its phase 3 of the trials and allowed Lisa access to it because
no longer had anyone receiving the placebo. They felt ethically that they could start to offer it to others.
Since we visited Lisa in April, her condition has deteriorated so rapidly, some doctors feared waiting for the drug until now would simply be too late to help her.
It's not too late in the sense that she's still with us. When we first spoke, we thought she might not be alive at this point.
Something Lisa recognized, prompting her to make a dying wish to see her 3 sons graduate from college, high school, and middle school.
Lovely.
With the love and support of her husband and 3 sons, Lisa remains hopeful that she'll beat the odds that too often robs people with her level of ALS of their lives within 1 year.
For someone this far along, they're not really sure what's going to happen. So now we're hoping that we get some reversal, that she gets some functionality back, that she's able to get up and walk to the kitchen.
Walk to the kitchen, something we all take for granted. Now, there's still a long way to go. Lisa needs 4 more spinal injections of the experimental drug, and it could be many weeks before they finally determine whether or not it's helping her. At the moment, the family is hopeful it will at least stop the progression of the disease, and adding to the drug is the abundance of love of one family that right now is taking it all one day at a time.